Okay, one dilemma I ran into is I had box after box in storage of all kind of paint, stains, cans of stuff, WD-40 and the whatnot, and so I made me a stain and paint center. I call this a paint center. What I did, I took some very small pieces of lumber and it came out from the 2x4 and then put shelving on here. I think all these are about 6 inches out, so that gives me a lot of room. And you do about 5 or 6 on one side and then in the middle and then over here as well. You can get a lot of stain and paint in there. Here's a little bracket I put up. If you notice, I like the Minwax spray-ins. There's all kind of poly shades and other different kind of polyurethanes that I could use. Some are clear gloss, some are other types. All the way down you go. And so again, there's a place there for, coming out of another bracket, there's a place there for all my power cords. That's really handy. But on going back to the paint center area, that's where I store my glues. I don't have just one kind of wood glue. I have 3 or 4 different types. And I actually use all of them. So this has been a handy area right here. Just what I call my stain center.